The government is implementing 320 crore rupees project for how many ports to enable digital ecosystem? Five. Which company will launch the satellite named Amazonian 1, made entirely by the Brazilian Space Agency? ISRO. The UGC has set up a 7-member committee for CET at UG level. Who is the head of the committee? R.P. Tiwari. The IAF Chief Air Marshal RKS Bhadauria has launched which e-governance portal? E-Office. Which country has become the first nation to culture the UK strain of SARS-CoV-2? India. The 4th Global Ayurveda Festival 2021 will be held in which state? Kerala. Which country has co-chaired Asia Protected Areas Partnership? APAP. India. The world's longest railway platform will be inaugurated in March 2021. What is the length of the platform? (1,505 meters). Which state government has signed a MOU with the Netherlands to set up a skill development center for farmers? Uttar Pradesh. What is the theme of the National Meteorology Conclave 2021? Meteorology for the inclusive growth of the nation. Which one has been conferred with the status of Centennial Observing Station by the WMO? Patna Meteorological Observatory. Which state government will host the 51st International Film Festival of India? Goa. India has set up the high-level group for the South Asian energy security. Who is the head of the group? Ram Vinay Shahi. The Malala Yousafzai Scholarship Act has been passed by which country? United States. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the Kochi-Mangaluru natural gas pipeline. What is the length of the pipeline? 450 kilometer.